Regenerative braking. How electric cars charge when you brake using a bike analogy. Ever wonder how electric cars can charge themselves while you're driving, or even braking? Let's say you're riding a bicycle downhill. As you pick up speed, you squeeze the brakes to slow down. Now imagine that every time you brake, your bike magically turns that slowing down energy into a battery charge. Energy recycled. That's exactly how regenerative braking works in electric and hybrid vehicles. It captures energy that would have been wasted and sends it back to the battery. Brake energy equals battery power. Real-world benefits of regenerative braking. It reduces brake wear, saves energy, and makes your car more efficient, especially in city traffic where you're constantly stopping and brake often. It is really efficient, plus it saves costs. Even hybrid cars take advantage of regenerative braking. These vehicles are like energy jugglers, smoothly switching between gasoline and electric power depending on your speed and driving needs. And when you press the brakes, that energy isn't wasted, it's redirected back into the battery. That means your car can recharge itself on the go, without ever needing to be plugged in. Pretty smart, right? So next time you hit the brakes in an EV or hybrid, remember, you're not just slowing down, you're powering up.